Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the essential strategies for link building. You'll learn how to master the art of building high-quality backlinks to significantly improve your search engine optimization performance. Get ready to elevate your website's authority and visibility. So, what exactly is link building? Simply put, it is the process of getting other websites to link back to your website. These links, also known as backlinks, are super important because they help improve your website's search engine rankings, drive referral traffic from other sites, build your website's authority in its niche, and establish valuable relationships within your industry. Think of it as getting votes of confidence from other websites. The more you have from reputable sites, the better. There are mainly three types of backlinks. Number 1, natural links are links that you earn organically. This happens when other websites cite your content, add you as a resource, or simply mention your brand, usually because they find your content valuable. Number 2, manual links are created through intentional outreach. It includes guest post backlinks, getting listed in business directories, and partnering with other websites. Finally, number 3, self-created links. These are the links you create yourself on platforms where you control the content. Some examples are social media profiles, forum signatures, and blog comments. Content-based link building focuses on creating high-quality content that naturally attracts backlinks. One strategy is to publish original research and data. When you conduct unique studies and surveys, other websites will want to cite your work, giving you a backlink. Another strategy is resource pages. Develop in-depth guides and tutorials that others will see as valuable references. Also, create visual content, such as eye-catching infographics and diagrams, that people will want to share and link to on their own sites. Guest posting is writing and publishing an article on someone else's website or blog. Here's a simple strategy to follow. Step 1, find opportunities. Research relevant blogs in your niche that accept guest posts. Step 2, pitch ideas. Come up with unique content proposals that fit what the blog's audience wants to read. Step 3, create content. Write high-quality articles and include natural backlinks to your site. Step 4, build relationships. Keep in touch with the blog owners for more chances to work together in the future. Here is a pro tip. Always focus on quality, not quantity. Build real relationships and provide genuine value to the blog's audience. This will lead to more successful and long-term link building. Here is a useful outreach email template. The subject line can be collaboration opportunity for their site name. Start with hi name. I'm your name from your site. I've been following your content on specific topic and particularly enjoyed your recent post about specific article. I noticed you have excellent resources about topic and thought your readers might be interested in your value proposition. Would you be interested in specific collaboration proposal? And with best regards, your name. Here are some best practices for outreach. Personalize each email. Show that you've read their content. Also be clear and concise. State your purpose quickly. Follow up wisely. Wait 5 to 7 days before following up. Finally, build relationships. Focus on long-term partnerships. Here are some essential tools that can help you with link building. First, there are backlink analysis tools, such as Ahrefs, Majestic, and Moz, which help you analyze your competitors' backlinks and find new link opportunities. Next, outreach tools like Hunter.io, Pitchbox, and BuzzStream can help you manage your email outreach campaigns. Then there are content research tools such as BuzzSumo and Answer the Public that help you find content ideas and gaps in your industry. Finally, link monitoring tools like Monitor Backlinks and LinkMiner help you keep track of your backlink profile and monitor your competitors' links. To measure the success of your link building efforts, it is important to monitor certain key metrics. We can split this into quantity metrics and quality metrics. First, under quantity metrics, we have total backlinks, which helps you track the overall number of backlinks pointing to your website, and referring domains to monitor the number of unique websites linking to you. Then, under quality metrics, there is domain authority, to track the authority scores of the websites linking to you, and link relevancy, to evaluate how relevant the content of the linking pages is to your own content. Here is a pro tip. Focus on trends over time rather than just absolute numbers. Regular monitoring will help you spot opportunities and potential issues early on. When building links, there are a few common mistakes you'll want to avoid. First, focusing on quantity over quality. Instead of building many low-quality links, prioritize high-authority, relevant websites. Second, sending generic outreach emails that don't show any real understanding of the target website. Always craft personalized messages that offer value. Third, ignoring anchor text distribution and using the same exact match keywords repeatedly. Instead, maintain a natural mix of branded and relevant anchor texts. Finally, neglecting to monitor your links. Regularly check your backlink profile to remove any toxic or harmful links. To wrap things up, here's a summary of the best practices for link building. 1. Focus on relevance. Prioritize links from websites that are related to your industry. 2. Create link-worthy content. Develop high-quality, original content that naturally attracts backlinks. 3. Build relationships. Connect with experts, bloggers, and websites in your niche. 4. Monitor and maintain. Track your backlink profile and keep your links high quality. 5. Diversify link sources. Use different link building strategies and get links from various websites. 6. Stay white hat. Follow search engine rules and avoid any sneaky link building tricks. Remember that quality is more important than quantity. Always aim to create value and build genuine relationships. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.